Have you ever wondered what the real price of staying too long in the same job is? Not the salary you get, but the silent costs, the ones no payslip will ever show you. Imagine this. You're 15 years into your career, you've worked tirelessly, and yet your savings barely cover 6 months of expenses. Your skills feel outdated, and you wake up dreading emails. Sounds familiar? Here's the shocking part. Studies show that employees who stay more than 10 years in the same role earn 30% less lifetime income compared to those who switched strategically every 4 to 5 years. But money isn't the only currency you're losing. You're paying in time, opportunities, mental health, and even family experiences you didn't know were slipping away. Today, we're breaking down the hidden costs of staying in a job too long, costs no HR manual or career coach will warn you about. And be careful. The last cost we'll uncover might make you rethink not just your job but your entire life path. So grab your coffee, settle in, because by the end of this video, you might see your 9 to 5 in a way you never imagined. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. All right, let's dive in. Hidden cost. Number 1. The silent decline of your market value. The strangest thing about careers is this. While you feel like you're becoming more loyal and experienced by staying in the same job for years, the job market often sees it the opposite way. Employers today don't reward loyalty, they reward adaptability. According to a 2023 LinkedIn survey, recruiters are 40% less likely to reach out to candidates who've had the same role for over 7 years. Why? Because they assume you're comfortable, outdated, or unwilling to adapt. Here's the painful part. Most people believe that years of experience equals increased value. But in reality, after a certain point, often 5 to 7 years in the same seat, your growth curve flattens. If you're not re-skilling, moving industries, or taking on varied challenges, your market value slowly decays. The mistake most people make is thinking, I'll let my work speak for me. But the truth is, the market doesn't pay for loyalty. It pays for relevance. Relevance comes from skills, networks, and diverse challenges. Ask yourself honestly, if you walked out of your office today, would the market see you as a sought-after expert, or just another employee stuck too long in one place? Every additional year you spend in the same stagnant role could be costing you future tens of thousands of dollars in salary growth. Choosing movement over comfort isn't disloyalty, it's evolution. Number 2, the comfort trap that weakens your courage. Comfort feels safe until you realize it's the cage that's been silently shrinking your courage. Behavioral psychologists talk about something called the status quo bias, our brain's built-in laziness that convinces us sticking to what we know is safer than stepping into the unknown. Every year you stay in the same job, that bias strengthens. Your brain, quite literally, starts interpreting change as a threat instead of a challenge. This is why people in long-term jobs often find it terrifying to even update their resume, let alone attend interviews. Here's what most people get wrong. They think courage is a one-time big decision, but courage is like a muscle. If you leave it unused for years, it shrinks. And staying in the same job is often the slow erosion of your risk-taking muscle. Let me ask you, when was the last time you felt nervous excited about learning something new? If it's been a while, recognize that comfort might be devouring your courage. The author Anais Nin once wrote, "Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage." Staying too long at one job might feel like stability, but if it's shrinking your courage, it's shrinking your life. While comfort can crush your courage, the next hidden cost actually attacks something even more precious than courage. It attacks your sense of identity itself. Number 3, the identity crisis you don't see coming. Have you noticed how people introduce themselves? I'm a banker. I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. Notice, they don't say what they love or who they are. They say what they do, often defined by one job. This occupational identity lock-in when your job title becomes your entire sense of self. Stay at the same company too long, and this effect deepens. You forget who you are outside of your role. This is dangerous because the day that job ends, whether by layoff, automation, or retirement, you're left not only without an income, but also without an identity. That's why so many retirees experience depression. Not because they can't afford vacations, but because they no longer know who they are. Instead of letting one employer write your entire identity script, start cultivating multiple identities: investor, learner, creator, mentor, parent, traveler. Because when you own more than one story, losing your job won't mean losing yourself. And while identity loss is one cost, what if I told you there's another hidden cost that sabotages something even more profitable: your ability to innovate? Cost number 4. Innovation blocked by routine repetition. Routine feels efficient, but it can slowly strangle innovation. Studies at the University of Toronto have found that brain plasticity, our ability to think creatively and adapt, actually declines when exposed to repetitive tasks over long periods. That's what happens in long-term jobs: the same Monday meetings, the same quarterly reports, the same office politics. And before you know it, creativity becomes a memory from your university days, not a living skill. Here's what most employees miss. The corporate world tells you, don't reinvent the wheel. But to survive in the future economy, you must reinvent yourself constantly. Elon Musk famously jumps industries, software, energy, space, because he knows routine blocks fresh thinking. Are you innovating, or are you just memorizing your way through another year? The antidote is to set up personal innovation challenges outside your job. Learn a language, start a side hustle, learn AI tools, or build a YouTube channel like you're wealthy. If you want to know how to run and grow YouTube channel, I have posted a course link in the description to help you. And now, prepare yourself, because while losing creativity is dangerous, the next cost hits your wallet in ways that no paycheck can cover. The invisible inflation penalty. Staying in one job too long isn't just about not getting promotions. It's about losing against time. Inflation eats away at every static salary. For example, if you're earning $60,000 a year and you've stayed in that role for 6 years with minimal raises, you might think you're stable. But with inflation averaging around 3%, you're effectively losing about $10,000 of purchasing power over that period, which means your loyalty is actively costing you money, even as your company thanks you for it. The solution is career leaps that reset your salary. Statistically, the biggest income jumps come not from internal raises, but from external offers, often 15–20% higher than your current role. Employees who switch strategically every 4 years can end up making over $500,000 more in lifetime earnings compared to those who stay loyal and accept 2% annual raises. Number 6. The family time debt no one talks about. Staying too long in the same job doesn't just drain your bank account. It quietly robs your family of you. Here's how. When you stay in one role for too long, you often sacrifice mobility. Promotions plateau, income growth stagnates, and flexibility is minimal. Slowly, you start compensating by giving more hours, hoping loyalty will one day pay off. But here's the hidden trade. Every late-night email, every weekend project, every "I'll make it up to you later" is charging interest. By the time many people wake up, the debt isn't financial, it's relational. Children grow up, parents grow older, spouses drift apart. Time is the only currency you can never earn back once it's spent. True wealth is not only measured in dollars but in time spent with loved ones. Protecting your time by making bold career moves isn't selfish. It's an investment in relationships that money can never replace. Number 7. The regret that money cannot heal. At the end of life, people rarely regret not working longer at one job. They regret not exploring, not testing themselves, not taking risks that could have made their stories richer. Bronnie Ware, the palliative care nurse who chronicled the top regrets of the dying, noted the most common regret. "I wish I'd had the courage to live a life true to myself, not what others expected of me." Staying too long in one job is the modern version of living life by expectation. Safe, predictable, but untrue to your deepest potential. You may earn a steady salary, yes, but the hidden cost is regret, the weight of "what if" that no retirement bonus can erase. Here's the haunting question. If your career ended tomorrow, would you celebrate it or mourn the things you never dared to try? The ultimate transformation is to see your career not just as income, but as a playground of possibilities. Each bold leap expands not just your earnings, but your experiences. Each move away from comfort unlocks new stories. This channel is about more than money. It's about designing a life of courage, wealth, and fulfillment. Don't just chase a paycheck. Chase the freedom to live without regrets. I believe in the power of shared knowledge. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more transformative tips. Now, if you want to know 8 hidden signs you're subtly becoming rich before you notice it, then watch this video. I'll see you there.